The absolute worst thing that has ever happened in the history of the automobile is the addition of the auto start stop. It's hard on your starter, it's hard on your battery, it's hard on your engine. It makes it so the AC can't work as efficiently in the summertime. It's pretty much useless, and it makes for an incredibly frustrating driving experience. Fortunately, our friends over at Citreal have come up with a solution in the form of the Auto Start Stop Eliminator. All right, let's take a look at this thing. So it comes in this very nice small package. And this one, because obviously we have the Jeep Gladiator, this specific model is for the 2019 to 2024 Jeep Gladiator. So if we open up this bag, it just comes with some instructions and then the kit. Very simple, very easy. Let's take a look and let's see how easy it is to install this. Okay, so let's get this thing installed. It says it installs in under 5 minutes. Let's see if that's true. All we have to do is take this panel off here, and then right where the auto start stop is, there's a switch underneath it. That's what this harness they gave us is. We just unplug it and plug this end in, and that's really all we need to do. So let's take this panel off. Now you could use a panel trim kit they sell. I don't have anything that fancy. I'm just gonna try to pry it with this. Let's see how this works. All right, now that we've gotten it this far, I will say it's important to be careful, but also you kind of need to use a little force on this. Now in this, some Jeeps, it'll run all the way across. This one, it seems to end kind of right here, so that's good. So we're almost done. We just need to unclip this. There we go. Perfect. Now, as you can see, we need to unplug this right here, and then this is the switch right there that's right behind that auto start stop. So let's unplug this. There's just a little tab. There we go. Pull that out. That will go be fed into this harness right here. And this other one will then plug into here. That's literally it. And we'll kind of just tuck this in the back here. Then over here, clip this back in. You're gonna need to use a little muscle to force it in there. Nice and good. And that's it. Okay, that's it. It was under 5 minutes. If I wasn't filming, I could have done it a lot quicker too. Hardest part's taking off that panel. Once you get that done, you're golden. It takes 30 seconds. Super useful product. I want to thank Citreal for sending us this product to review. It's super great. You can pick these up for about 56 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I really recommend purchasing it, guys. It makes your life a whole lot easier, eliminates that pesky auto start stop, and you're investing in a better future. All right, that's all for now. We got a lot more content coming out soon, so stay tuned on the channel. Make sure you are subscribed, you got notifications turned on, and we'll see you around. Peace.